So in today's video, we are going to talk about how you are going to upload your video after monetization. You know, that is our goals on the YouTube. That is our goals. All of us is to we are aiming towards monetization. So today I'm going to show you how I upload after monetization. That is what I'm going to show to us today. If the reason why you click on this video is to be learning how you are going to grow your YouTube, how you are going to be a best live streamer, how you are going to stream without watermarks, then you need to hit the like button, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification bell in case I drop any video. You'll be the first to be notified. So one important point to take note is that I also create video based on the request of my viewers or subscribers. So if you want me to create a video on any topics that are related to my niche, put it in the comment section what you want me to create, and then I will definitely make video for you. Without wasting much of the time, let's jump right into it. So here is my browser, as you can see. So I'm going to YouTube now. So what I do is I have my YouTube bookmark already. So what in case I come to my YouTube and this place is changing, as it's not the one that I want to upload to, I have to click here and choose the rightful account. It's very, very important to choose the right account that you want to upload to. Okay, so this is the account I want to upload to. Is Grow with Gani. Then what next I'm going to do is I'm going to click on create here. Then I'm going to click on upload video, because it's the video that I want to upload on this channel, my new video. Okay, so once they open, then I click on select file. All of us, we know how to navigate through here. Then I choose the video that I want to upload. Okay, you can see I choose the video that I want to upload to, and then you cannot imagine that I have all the details, everything, descriptions there immediately on this channel. Why? Because there is a settings that I've done. If you want me to show you how I was able to achieve this, let me know in the comment section. Put yes, you want to learn how to have all this automatic as well, so that you can reduce your stress when you want to upload your video. Okay, so the more I change it. Okay, so I hit 7 if it is n. So anyone that I'm doing, I change it there. So the next thing I've already have my thumbnails already. So I click my thumbnails, I upload my thumbnails. You can see it's changed immediately. Then I'm going to choose my playlist. Okay, it's new series. So always make sure you have playlist on your channel, because it will help you. If somebody watch your video to the end, they can also able to navigate to the next one and the next one and the next one and the next one. And then this one is automatic as well. I said, if you want to know, let me know in the comment section how I was able to put all this thing in automatic. Okay, so we click on show more, because it's very important to click on show more. Then you scroll down. It's not a paid promo, so you leave it like that. Then here, is it any altered content? No, it is me. So answer is no. Automatic chapters, if YouTube, this one is YouTube options. Okay, the automatic placement, they decide also. Then I have all this tag here. It's something that I've already put in my video, in my channel as well. All this one is automatic. If you want to learn it, let me know in the comment section. I am repeating it. If you want to learn it, let me know in the comment section. Okay, so the language is English. Okay, so I put it down. I put it in English because I do not even put anything. So I just put not applicable. It's not English, and then they will just read it. It's something that they can read. Okay, so I will leave all this one available there, and then it's education. So I leave it in education, and then it is academic in France. I will leave it in France. Okay, if your own is how to do something on YouTube, you change it. You press this place and change it to none. Okay, you change it to none, but my own, I will leave it the way it is. Okay, because it's only typically for French people, for people that are speaking French. They will understand it, so it's not for everybody. Okay, so I click on, then you now click on next. Once you click on next, it's coming to bring you to this monetization. You know, this monetization is only for channel that has already monetized. That is when they can have this monetization. So what you are going to do is you are going to turn it on. Okay, don't you want to make money? Are we not creating content to make money? I know all of us wants to make money. That's why we are creating content. So make sure you turn it on if you have monetized. So once I turn it on, I click on done. So when I click on done, you can see it shows me the location where all ad will be showing. It said it's have a pre-roll ad, mid-roll ad, post-roll ad. Pre-roll ad is an ad that will show immediately you click on a video. Okay, so once I monetize, please be watching my ad. Then the middle roll ad is the one that will play in between the ads, and then the post roll ad is the one that will play immediately after the video ends. Okay, and the different type of ad is there are non-skippable ad, they are skippable ad, and they are display ad. Display ad is normally shown under your videos. Okay, sometimes you don't need to click it, so it normally shows that one you don't have option. And there is option that you allow YouTube to put the ad on your video by themselves, but that one, if your video is less than 8 minutes, YouTube will be the one to place an ad by themselves. But if your video is longer than 8 minutes, then it's you can do it manually, or you leave it automatically also for YouTube to still do it. It's your choice. Okay, when I first got monetized, I don't know how to navigate through this place, so I just click next immediately. I don't know I can do it by myself. It was after my research and I know that I can also place it manually, then I started placing it manually myself. And how to do that, you have to click on this review placement. So once you click on review placement, it will bring you to your video here. Okay, they call it ad break. So I'm going to put ad immediately here first. And okay, you can see once you see this, it means you have put ad there. So you can see ad. You can put as many as you want. It's your choice, as many as you want, because YouTube will also, they will still tell you that even if you like, you put 20, put as many as you want. Keep putting it as you want. It's your choice. There is no maximum, there is no minimum. Keep putting it, and then just know that at the end also you can put as well. No, just think that you should know that if you choose to manually place your ad break, avoid placing ad at distraught points. That is what they will tell you. Avoid it. Okay, note that ad does not guarantee ad will appear for every viewers. So it's your choice. They've already told us that not everybody is going to see ad on your video. Okay, except maybe your video is doing very fine, maybe, but they have already told us already that on here. And you can leave it also to place it automatic also. Okay, they said this process might take a couple of hours. It will take some time to generate your ad break. You can close this screen and come back if you want ad break sooner. Place them manually. Okay, it's your choice. You have two options: you place them manually or you place it automatically. So you choose which one, how you want it, which one you want, how did you want to place it. Okay, so that is an option for you, and you can place as many as you want. There you can see you can place as many as you want in there. So after you have add all the one you want to add manually, then you click on continue. Then you click on continue here. You can see here, it will bring you back again. Then you click on next. So once you click on next, it will give you, does your video content, title, description, and keyword contain any of the following: inappropriate language, adult content, violence, shocking content, harmful and unreliable claims, creational drug content, enabling dishonest behavior, hateful and derogatory content, firearm related content, sensitive event, controversial issue. My content doesn't have any of this, so I'll click none of the above. So once I click on none of the above, the next thing I'm going to do is you must submit it. If you do not submit it, the ad will not be placed on your video. So you click on submit. So once you submitted it, you can now click on next. Then after next, make sure you add your card. I've shown us how to add card. It's very, very important that you should add card to your video. Okay, it's very important. Okay, so it's very, very important. Add cards to your video. Add 5 cards to your video. The maximum you can add is video. Just add different ones to it, different videos. Add it, place it where you want it. You can just drag this thing anywhere you want it. It's you that you will drag it wherever you want it. If it is video, if it is playlist, you can put option. You have options. You can put playlist, you can put channel, you can put link. Okay, it's your option. It's you that you can put whatever that you want to put. Just make sure you put it, but make sure you know, just know that you cannot add more than 5. Then you click on save up here. So once you save it, then you add an end screen as well. Don't forget, end screen is also important as well. Okay, end screen is also important. They have subscribe button, they have best viewer, and they have different ones. So I will leave it. I allow YouTube to suggest. If you don't want YouTube to suggest for you, you click on it. Anyone you want, make sure you click on it. Come here, click on it, and then come to this place here and scroll down and choose specific video that you want to put, or you allow YouTube to choose for you as well. Anyone that you want, the way you want it is your own choice. It's personal choice, it's personal reference. Okay, so after you have done this, then you click on save. So once you click on save, then you have done everything. The next thing is to click on next here. Okay, so they are telling me no issue is found, no issue is found, everything, no copyright. You will see, you receive this, and then you click on next. Once you click on next, okay, just this, I want to use it as a tutorial. So what I normally do, if I want to post, I normally schedule it. Okay, I will schedule it, because I still want YouTube to still check it very well, and also to be showing on the source, on the people's source, my subscriber page as well, that there is video that is coming, so they will be aware that I am sending in video for them to watch, and the date and time will be shown there. Okay, the date and time will be also shown as well, so you can see that it is something that is easy to do. Then the next thing I'm going to do is, then you click on schedule, because I want to put it in schedule. Okay, if you want to put it in schedule, you put it in schedule. Okay, if you want to put it in private, you put it in private. Okay, if you want to, then you click on save here, because I'm putting it in private, so I will save it, but you will publish it. So it is there. This is it. I put it in private. The monetization, this is where you will see that this video is being monetized. Kicking now. So as you can see, that it is easy once you are monetized, how to navigate through to be able to monetize all your videos. It's easy. I've shown you. You don't need to be looking for it up and down. You have it already with Gold Gani. This is your teacher that brings things for you, simple like ABC. So if you are getting value on my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. Turn your notification bell, so that in case I drop a mind-blowing video as well, you'll be the first to be notified. And if you are still no want to know how to get your 4,000 watch hour, and then you need to watch the video that you see on the screen. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.